Karan here mentioned that 3 questions came directly out of iQuanta's QA 250, which helped him save at least a minute in every question. And I don't have to tell you the importance of those minutes in a rigorous, strenuous exam like CAT, right? Going ahead, tell me, what was it that gave you the edge? Because 99.5 is something that a lot of students come to, right? But only a few pass through that to reach that 99.5 plus border.
Yes.
So what gave you that edge?
Okay. So if the aspirants here are someone like me who cannot take time out of their busy schedules to to prepare, so having an external motivators are huge plus. Yeah, this was the iQuanta's peer group which I received, which I got. It was great seeing so many people available at the crack of dawn, at during late night hours, studying, posting doubts. It lit a fire in me that I have to beat them all. Okay. Yes, they are studying harder than me. Okay, then I need to have an edge over them somehow, beat them, okay, and gain a good percentage.